future.
Which guides us in future.
We, the students of Kadambi,
We, the students of Kadambi,
in the name of the Lord,
in the name of Lord,
pledge
pledge
to restore dignity and discipline
dignity and discipline
of our institution.
of our institution.
We, the students of Kadambi,
We, the students of Kadambi,
declare that we live up to the values
up to the values
and respect our culture,
and respect our culture,
elders, parents, and teachers.
and teachers.
This is our sincere resolution of the day.
This is our sincere resolution of the day.
Thank you.
Well, students, this ethics of oath should be your way of life in future also. Now I request our Honorable Chairman, Shri Y. Raghavacharya, to distribute the valedictory certificates to the students here.
Go and assemble, she is calling.